energy source does it need? What's pointed here as waste could, of course, be very well a product. So in the slides it was listed, in the brochure was listed that you could grow, for example, cellulose. For some bacteria, this nice, strong, leather-like material is just waste. They just want to get rid of it. And for us, it's super useful. But you have to start thinking about cells and bioreactors in this way. It's some kind of black box. Stuff comes in and stuff comes out. And throughout the course, we'll kind of try to understand what's going on here. So by the end of the course, you'll have some kind of biofactory running. And it's up to you already, and at this stage, to kind of decide what kind of material you want to produce. So there are multiple options, of course. You can go for biomass, like food, if you want to grow cheese or maybe algae that you can eat. You can go for metabolites. Metabolites is a fancy word for just molecules that are part of metabolism, like ethanol. Like a yeast can produce a lot of alcohol, ethanol. You can make maybe antibiotics if you want, pigments. A lot of antibiotics have very strong colors that you can use for paint or maybe for dyeing clothes, for lots of other applications. We have microbes that can produce light, very strong light. That's, of course, a very useful property. And, of course, there are microbes that produce certain structures, like cellulose, and that you can use as a material. So perhaps you should go and take a look at them, like the microbes that we have in the collection. I don't know if you already explored them in the syllabus a little bit. Maybe you have already your favorite. But let's do a little meet the microbes session. I have a number of them here. I'll just pick them up. In the collection that we have downstairs in the Open Web Lab, and also we distribute it to the partner labs, are a number of strains that you can use. These are all so-called level 1 organisms, so they are unknown to cause disease. So it doesn't mean that they are entirely harmless. You shouldn't eat them, for example. But it's not known that they can infect people. If you eat them, you probably feel a little bit obnoxious. But once you spit it out, or another way of getting rid of it, you're fine. You have different